Well, it's very difficult to define love, but you can always showcase love. It is not easy to define it, but you can showcase it. You can showcase love by just sharing whatever you have with others. You can showcase your love by just caring for others a little bit, not fooling them. That's also love. You can also be honest with others. That's also a way of showing love. So unfortunately, I don't know how to define love, but I can certainly show love, and it's a verb. It's a verb for sure. You show love in action. You don't define or write love letters to people. You actually put it in practical life.
For me, love is a friendship and enjoyment, and still just everything which we just do together. Either it's we eating food, are we traveling, anything else. That's what I call love.
Usually we all think that love is something like attraction, but it is something very bigger than that. It's the energy of the creation, Creation is not possible without love. It's about sacrificing, it's about humanity, it's about service, it's about giving to others. It's in everything, not in just one bond or some other bond. It's everywhere.
Love is when someone can be that important. Without him, you feel like nothing. That's his love. Like, first love is your mom, She loves you a lot without any demand, anything, She's the first love.
Love is something which cannot be expressed, it can only be felt. So if you're asking me to define love, I cannot express. It's like asking me a taste of that ice cream. How would I explain it? I cannot explain it. It has to be felt.
I think, according to me, when we think about someone more than us, when we take care of that person more than us.
As I said earlier, if you are in love and it is not just letting you to become a good person, there is nothing that you can tell yourself that you are in love. So if you are in love, it's ultimately letting you to become a good person. So that's my perception being in love.
I think love is anything that makes you happy. That would be the simplest one.
प्यार का मतलब खुशी. किसी को प्यार दो तो आपको खुशी फील होता है, बहुत अच्छा महसूस होता है.
Okay, I think according to me, love is a beautiful feeling, and it can be towards anyone, like family, friends, and love is also like sharing like things, So like according to me, I think that is love.
Love, I guess, it is the greatest sacrifice in your life. The very intense sacrifice in life. An emotion, I can't just explain it. I just know this thing that it can never beyond a sacrifice, basically. Yeah.
I think love means understanding each other. That is more important. As with age, you come to know that the young love is different, and old age, it requires caring, loving, understanding each other. That is what I think the essence of love is.
If you cannot define the love, it is a love. Love is, it is a definition. You cannot define.
Love is everything for each and every person in life. And everywhere like we go, we have to just create a good things, and we have to just have some good relation. That is, we have to just love each other, whether it's a friend, a mother, or sister, or wife, anyone. Just love her a lot. That is called a love, great love.